You all had Mrs. Wheezy in middle school, right? Remember her little song she sang? Same sign, add and keep, opposite subtract. And then I don't remember the rest of the song. Keep the sign of the higher one, and you will be exact. Good job, Deanna. That's way to go. Well, that's what we do here. Okay? When we have opposite signs, we subtract. Okay? We take the absolute values of each. So which one is bigger, 9 or 6? 9. So we take 9 minus 6, and we get 3, right? And then we keep the sign of the higher one. The higher one is negative, so it's negative 3. Okay? Negative 24 plus 4. Subtract them. They have opposite signs to subtract them. So 24 minus 4 is 20. The sign of the higher one is negative, negative 20. If they have the same sign, add and keep the sign. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is 3 plus 4, which is 7. Keep the sign, negative 7. If you add 0, it's obviously that number. When you have opposite numbers, 1 and negative 1, they would add up to 0. They would add up to 0. So, same signs, add and keep. So 91 plus 27 is 8, 118. And since they're both negative, it's negative 118. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, 23, 22, opposite signs. 23 minus 22 is 1. The higher one is positive, so it's 1. When we get to decimals, you just line up your decimal signs. So 5.7, 2.1, since they're the same signs, we add them and keep the negative sign, so it's negative 7.8. When we get to fractions, add the tops, leave the bottoms alone. So negative 8 plus 1 is 8 minus 1, which is 7. Keep the sign of the bigger one, so it's negative 7/5. You leave it as 7/5. You do not change it to 1 and 2/5. Leave it as an improper fraction. And these you add and keep. Negative 6 plus negative 3 is negative 9/5. Can you handle it? Good. So that's what we're doing today.